It was a tearful parting between a Pakistani father and son in Jamnagar on Eid in July. The fisherman father, a Pakistani, was being released after 18 months and being sent back to Pakistan. But his son's release orders hadn't come. And while this drama was playing out in Gujarat, the Bollywood film Bajrangi Bhaijaan, which is based on a similar theme, was being hailed in both countries. 16-year-old Ghulam Hussain is still awaiting for a Bajrangi Bhaijaan to escort him back home.
जो पकड़े गए थे कुछ लोग उस वक्त, उसमें से कुछ को डिपोर्टेशन किया गया है वेरिफिकेशन होने के वक्त, और जिनका वेरिफिकेशन नहीं हुआ वो अभी यहाँ पे है। उसमें से ये गुलाम हुसैन का वेरिफिकेशन नहीं हुआ तो वो ऑब्जर्वेशन होम में है जामनगर। हमने होम मिनिस्ट्री में भेजा हुआ है कि भेजिए, वेरिफिकेशन जितना जल्दी बने उतना हो जाए और बच्चा अपने घर वापस चले जाए।
We're right now outside the juvenile home here in Jamnagar. This is where the Pakistani teenager Ghulam, he's been here for the last 1 year. And in fact, we tried to talk to the authorities here. They simply refused an access inside the remand home, citing legal limitations. They're saying they will not be allowed without any permission. But they are confirming that the teenager, they say that he's a 14-year-old Ghulam from Pakistan. Last year, he along with his father and some fishermen were arrested by the Indian Coast Guards on the high seas. They were brought to Dwarka district, from where they were shifted here to Jamnagar. Now this July, during the Eid festival, as part of goodwill measures, the Indian authorities had decided to release around 78 Pakistani fishermen. Amongst them was Ghulam's father. What sources are telling is that the authorities had asked for release of both Ghulam and his father. And from the consular side, the permission was given, clearance was given to Ghulam's father, but because of some technical error, his name was not cleared for a release, and that's why he continues to be here. Pakistani human rights activist Ansar Burni had in fact mentioned about this case, but the police officials here telling us that they're waiting for a clearance before they can move on the release of the teenager Ghulam, who continues to be here. We've been told he feels very lonely at times. He's inside, interacts with some children, though he is not comfortable with any other language other than Urdu. But authorities telling us that he is in fact mixing up with some small children here, playing with them, watching television, but worried when his return would be possible to Pakistan.